thunderstorm warning for eastern Benton County, northwestern Carroll County, and Washington County in northwest Arkansas until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Lincoln, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Some locations in or near the path of this storm include Prairie, Grove, Farmington, Greenland, Fayetteville, Tontitown, Cave, Springdale, Lowell, Rogers, War Eagle, Upstate, and Park, Garfield, Gateway, Eureka Springs, Beaver, and Grant View. Precautionary preparedness actions. People outside should move to a safe shelter, preferably inside a strong building. Stay away from windows until the storm has passed. Repeating. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Benton County, northwestern Carroll County, and Washington County in northwest Arkansas until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The current time is